Hi, my name is Dr. Post. I'm a board-certified veterinary oncologist, and we just opened the Veterinary Cancer Center here in Norwalk, Connecticut. The purpose and the vision of creating this center was really one of hope. This structure was kind of an embodiment of that vision. All of the exam rooms are, again, really based upon the concept of de-stressing both the pets and the people. We want people to feel comfortable. Treatment area, again, was designed for collaboration. All of the technicians sit on that side and can face out. The doctors, when they're working in the doctor's area, can face out. So even when they're working on records, they can still see what's going on with the animals. If your pet's diagnosed with cancer, the first thing that we would do would be to do an exam and then talk about what options are available. And there are, I would say, more options now than ever before. In our hospital, we have treatment bays where we can deliver chemotherapy to individual dogs. Here we have mats so that the animals who are getting chemotherapy on the floor are comfortable, the technicians are comfortable. Here we have digital x-rays. So as soon as the x-rays are taken, they're sent to every computer in the hospital so that I can view them, manipulate them, and show owners immediately. If radiation therapy was a recommendation, we have a state-of-the-art radiation therapy unit that we just installed here. In this room is our